Hello and welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru. In today's market update, we bring you the latest analysis on base metal prices, including aluminium and copper, as they face a sharp decline amid global economic uncertainties. On February 1st, base metal prices saw a downward trend on the London Metal Exchange, LME. This decline was largely driven by a stronger US dollar and growing concerns over potential trade tariffs. Investors reacted cautiously after the latest remarks from US President Donald Trump, who reiterated the possibility of imposing 25% tariffs on imports from Canada and Mexico. The market braced for potential disruptions, leading to a dip in investor confidence. Copper, one of the most closely watched industrial metals, fell by 0.8%, settling at $9,055.50 per metric ton. This marked a 2.4% decline for the week, making it the steepest weekly drop in over 2 months. However, despite this setback, copper remains on course for a 3.3% gain in January, which would be its first monthly increase since September. Aluminium prices also faced downward pressure, falling 1.1% to $2,598 per metric ton. Other base metals followed a similar trend, with zinc declining by 0.9% to $2,767.50 per ton, lead slipping 0.7% to $1,953, tin losing 0.6% to $30,055, and nickel dropping 0.9% to $15,255 per ton. A significant factor behind the price drop was the strengthening of the US dollar. A stronger dollar makes commodities like base metals more expensive for international buyers, leading to reduced demand. Additionally, uncertainty around global economic growth continues to weigh on investor sentiment. Meanwhile, the US Federal Reserve's recent decision to keep interest rates unchanged further influenced market movements. The central bank signaled that it would not consider rate cuts unless inflation and labor market conditions show significant changes. This cautious stance has led investors to shift towards safer assets, reducing risk appetite in the base metals market. Adding to the slowdown in trading activity is the ongoing Lunar New Year holiday in China, which has led to a temporary decline in market participation. The Chinese market, a key player in the global metals industry, remains closed until February 5th, resulting in lower trading volumes. As we move forward, all eyes will be on upcoming US inflation data and further trade policy developments, which could shape the next move in base metal prices. Will copper and aluminium recover from this setback, or will uncertainties continue to weigh on the market? Stay tuned to Ajay Astro Money Guru for more insights and updates on global commodities and market trends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for daily market analysis. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next update.